What if your Amazon search knew exactly what you wanted, even before you typed it all out? Imagine asking for brewing tools for coffee lovers, or model kits for hobbyist engineers, and getting back personalized, relevant suggestions instantly. Well, that's no longer just a dream. Amazon has just rolled out a brand new feature called Interests that's changing the way we shop online, and it's all powered by generative AI. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. Let us know what you'd love AI to help you shop for. The Interests feature allows users to enter natural conversational prompts into Amazon's search bar. Instead of typing rigid keywords, you can describe exactly what you're looking for in your own words, plus even set your preferences and budget. This works thanks to Amazon's use of large language models that translate everyday speech into product searches traditional engines can understand. That means more accurate, tailored product recommendations just for you. But it doesn't stop there. Interests keeps working in the background, notifying you when new items that match your tastes are added, when favorite products are restocked, or when deals become available. Right now, this new AI tool is only available to a limited number of users in the US through the Amazon Shopping app on both iOS and Android, as well as the mobile website under the Me tab. But Amazon plans to roll it out to more users across the US in the coming months. This is just the latest move in Amazon's ongoing push to integrate AI throughout its platform. It joins tools like the AI shopping assistant Rufus, AI-generated product info, review summaries, and smart shopping guides. Amazon's not alone in this space. Google has launched a new Vision Match tool that lets shoppers describe the kind of clothing they imagine, and the AI finds visual matches. Google also released AI summaries to simplify product research. It's clear we're heading into a new era of AI-powered online shopping, and Amazon's latest move is a big step forward. Want to see what else AI is changing in the world of e-commerce? Tap the video in the corner to keep watching.